Hello guys, welcome back to Python tutorial by Code Warriors. Today in the last video we discussed about lists and we were also going to talk about the dictionaries. But because that video was becoming very big, about it was already about 37-36 minutes something, and I thought that guys might get bored with learning all those things in just one video. So I've decided to break down that video. So today in this video we'll discuss about dictionaries. So let's move on to our spider. Okay, dictionaries are unordered pair of objects. Means unordered means like they cannot be sorted in any way because they are in unordered way. They have key value pair system. Like every value has its own separate key, and the indexing also is done on the basis of the keys. You cannot do the normal indexing like we used to do in the list or the strings. We write 0 1, we index it 0 1 2 3. We don't do it here. We don't do we use a key system. Every value has its own key, and we use the key system to find the value in the dictionary. So like dictionary, let's put up an example. Let's make an example. Let's make a variable dict1 equals to. Now I've told you dictionary uses curly braces, and to give it a key, let's say name, and any name we can give it, like let's say harsh, comma h. It has to be in double inverted commas. H is equals, not equals to, colon. Let's give it like 30, comma city, colon Mumbai. Okay, that's it. Now let's run this. Let's see what happens. F9. Okay. So here in the variable section we see dictionary. It is of type dict. Take size is 3 because we have 3 keys and 3 values over here. Okay. So it says name, Harsh, age, 30, city, Mumbai. Now if you want to find, dictionaries are basically used to create a good databases. Like if you want to create a database of some like biodata of someone, this is like a small example of biodata. Okay. Now if you want to find a name of someone, like all we have to do is write dict1, and in the keyword, let's say name, and let's give it a variable name equals to. Now let's run it. F9. Now you see a name is created over here with it's a string type because it has the value Harsh inside of it, and its size is 1. Now to find all the keys in the dictionary, all we have to do is write dict1 dot keys keys, and let's run it. Let's see that. Okay, let's give it some kind of a variable keys equals to. Now let's run it. F9. Now you see here keys. Okay, it's a dictionary keys. It will not print. Okay, let's print it. It will not display it like this. print print. Let's see what it shows right now. Now see, it says dictionary keys with name, age, city. Name, age, city. We have 3 keys over here which are name, age, and city. Now if we want to find the values, same thing. dict1 dot values, and run it. F9. Now it says here the values inside of a dictionary. Those are Harsh, 30, Mumbai. Now this, it's a very small dictionary. We know the size. We are using Spider, so we know definitely it says here this is the size of it. But if we are not using Spider, we are using some normal text editor, and we want to know the size of the dictionary. Then no normal command that we use in the list and the strings, we can use it in same in dictionary. Len command, len dict1, and okay, let's print it, or let's give it a variable length equals to, and run it. F9. Now you say length is of variable size 3, a variable 3 of size 1, so we can find out the length in this way. Now this is the normal general list. Now if we want to change any value in the list, how are we gonna do it? Okay, let's say, okay, I've did a typo here in the city section. I've wrote it like Mumabi. It's a wrong spelling, right? Now if we want to correct the spelling, and we want to, so how we can, correcting the spelling means like changing the value. Okay, how are we gonna change this value? Let's see. DICD1, it's very simple, you have to do nothing much, just write what is its key and redefine another value which is MUMBAI, Mumbai, and run it. F9, and here you see our mistakes, typo mistake is now alright, we've corrected it, it says Mumbai. Now this is how we can change any value inside of a dictionary. If you want to add another value, all you have to do is DICT1 and create your own key. Let's say city, let's say state, STATE, and what's the state? Maharashtra, MAHARA, SHTRA, Maharashtra, and let's run this. F9. Now you see in dictionary it becomes size 4. It used to be size 3, but now it is size 4. And one more key is added, which is state and its value Maharashtra. So this is how you can add on the, you know inside the keys inside the dictionaries. Now if you want, now these are normal dictionaries. Now dictionaries are, you can do a nesting inside dictionary. You can make a, right now we have used the integer inside dictionary, we have used a string inside dictionary, we can also use list or even a dictionary inside of a dictionary. Let me show you how you can do this. Let's make another dictionary, DICT2, and let's make it a dictionary of, fruits and their prices. Okay, so let's say first fruit is apple and its price is 100, comma, let's another one is banana, its price is, let's give it lots of prices, like varieties of, one is of 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, then grapes. Now there are two kinds of grapes, right? First put it in double inverted commas. Okay, now there are two kinds of grapes, black and green. Now we have to write the rate of both black grapes and green grapes. So what we create another dictionary over here. Now give it a key black, and its rate is like 50, and then comma green, GREEN, and its rate is 60. Okay, we are getting line short over here, so let's do, we can also in Python we can also write it in this way. Only the matter is these braces should be at the end, in the between, whatever you write it, it will take it. We can separate it a number of places. We can write it like this. Okay, so no problem about it. Don't worry about, we can write it in any way. Now let's run this. Let's see what's the output. F9. It runs perfectly fine, and you can see here another variable is DICT2, dictionary type size 3, because we have apple, banana, and grapes. But now if we want to find the value of a black grape, how are we gonna find the value? Guess. So all we have to do is, let's create a variable price equals to, what it is, grape. So first DICT2, then we have found the value of the black grape. So it is first grapes, then black, BLACK. Now let's run this. Let's see what price gets. F9. Now you see price has got a value of 50 over here. You see grapes, black grape has a value of 50. We can write 50. Now in the same way we can do with the list that we made at the banana, with the bananas. Let's say price 2, price 2 equals to DICT2. Okay, wait a minute first. Let me make it screen upside. Now DICT2. Now we are working on banana this time. BANANA. And in list we okay, in dictionary we used to find the values with the help of the keys. That's why I use a black here to find the key. But in list we used to do the indexing, like 0 1 2 3. So like 20 is at index 0, 30 is at index 1, 40 is at index 2, 50 is at index 3. So in the same way we will write in this, here we write an index, let's say index is 3. Now run it, let's see what happens. F9. Now see price 2 has a value of 50. Now 0 1 2 3 3, 50 is at index 3. it gives the value of uh, banana at index 3. Okay, now there are a few more functions in the dictionary, like let's see, dict2 dot. Let's say this time. Let's okay. We have worked on appending the. We have worked on like adding, like we have added state in the list in the dictionary. Now let's talk about removing something out of the dictionary. Now let's say dict1 dot remove. Oh sorry, dict1 dot pop, and inside of the pop we have to give its value key. Oh sorry, inside of the pop we have to give the key. Now what we want to pop from dict1, dict1 has name, age, city, state. Let's remove the city out of it, city, and f9. Okay, there is some kind of an error. It shows bulletin built-in function or method object is not subscriptable. Okay, let's see what's the error over here. Okay, pop is a function, so we can't use big braces, we have to use small braces. And let's run it this time. F9. You can see dictionary.pop city. It removed the city Mumbai. Okay, city and its value both are removed from the, you can see in the variable explorer section dict1, the city and its value is removed out of it. So this is how you remove. Now there is one more function dict1 dot pop item. Now when you apply this function, let's do F9. Now dict1 dot pop item removes the last value. Like in append we add the in the last. It's like in pop item we remove from the last. It removes the last value of the dictionary. Then one last thing in dict1 dot clear. As in list, it empties the whole dictionary F9, and you see here your dictionary becomes empty. It has got nothing inside of it. Size is 0. So this is in the dictionary. These are all the works on it. Make more nested dictionaries. Okay, remember dictionaries are mostly used to create kind of a database of a small database. If you want to create it, you create it with dictionaries. It is easy to extract data from a dictionary than in comparison to from a list, because in list you have to remember the work on the indexes, but in dictionary, if you are talking about a name, then it is in the, we have to use the key name. If we are talking about the age, we have to use the key age. So that is the convenience in over there. And if you if you don't remember the keys, then you can use dictionary.keys function, then dictionary.values function, and there's one more, dictionary.dict.items. Now when you run this, okay, dict1.items. Okay, right now in dict1 it's empty, so let's do dict2.items and let's run it. F9. Now you see it shows you all the items inside the dictionary. It prints out the whole dictionary out in front of you. It gives you the whole dictionary, how your dictionary is like, right? So you can get to know all about your dictionary. Okay, so this is all in the dictionary. Practice on it, work on it. Okay, the more and more you practice, I keep on saying this thing, the more you practice it, the more you will become good in it. So work on it. See you in the next video. Till then, good luck.